so until it is in a piece. 20 watch the table come from moving.
Hello, and welcome back to another video. We're going to be doing the flat soft locks. Basically, the root is going to be pretty flat, and then we're going to just do soft locks kind of like normal, but with a different updated technique. Now, this technique is something I used in my last video for soft locks when I did them short, but these are longer, so it's going to be a little bit different. So I'm just gonna show you guys exactly what I'm doing and try to just tell you guys what I'm doing as well. So make sure you follow along for all the tips and tricks to get exactly this same look with this exact method. So I start off by parting, of course you saw that, and then I make a braid with the client's original hair. Then I add in a little piece of Afro twist hair. I'll leave the link to that down below. And I'm gonna go ahead and braid all the way up until I end her hair, finish braiding her hair. Then I'm gonna put one of those new locks, slide it onto the braid and then flip up and start twisting. I'm going to show you guys again exactly what I did because I know this clip was kind of fast, but I'll show you guys again exactly what I'm doing. Just give me a second and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Make sure you guys watch the entire video to get all the tips and tricks. I know this clip is going to go by a little bit fast too, but the next clip is going to show you exactly what to do a little bit more slow down so that you can see what I'm doing. But I know right here I'm braiding a little bit fast, so make sure you watch the entire thing to get all the tips and tricks. Okay, here's where we're gonna slow it down. So of course you guys know that I'm braiding her hair first, and then I'm gonna add that Afro twist hair to her hair second. So after braiding the client's hair, I'm taking one of these new locks right here. They have a little loop at the top. You want to open up the loop, and what you want to do is put that braid in that loop. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. Open up the loop, take 2 fingers, and you're going to want to grab that piece of braid, and slide it through. Then what I do is flip that braid over with the Afro twist hair at the end and start wrapping. So I know I'm braiding so fast that you probably can't see, but I'm tying a knot basically around the lock and pulling a small piece through. Make sure when you get to the front, you start facing those parts going downwards. Like in the back, we were doing them, you know, going towards the back. Now we're gonna round them out, going down towards her ear. So with the new locks, they can kind of be wavy a little bit towards the ends. So I just took a blow dryer and like stretched it out. I didn't heat it up like to an extreme extent, but just did a little bit of blow drying and stretching.